Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph exponential functions by using a table of values. So first, an exponential function is a function in the form y equals a times b to the x, where a is non-zero. Now remember that a is also your starting value, and b is the number that you're multiplying by each time. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a table of values using the equation we have and the x's provided, find each ordered pair, and plot them on the graph. That's how we are going to do exponential functions. So the first equation we have is y equals 2 to the x. So all we're going to do is take our calculators and plug these numbers in. If I have negative 2 for x, that means I'm going to have 2, and then I'm going to hit this exponent button and put in a negative 2. That gives me 1/4. But I want to use decimals because I'm going to be graphing these points. So that's going to be 0.25. So that means the ordered pair from this first one is negative 2, 0.25. Then I'm going to go on and do the next one. 2 to the negative first power is 1/2, which is the same as 0.5. So my second point is negative 1, 0.5. Now anything to the 0 power is just 1. So 2 to the 0 is 1. So my ordered pair is 0, 1. 2 to the first is 2. So I get 1, 2. 2 squared is 4. So I get 2, 4. And 2 to the third is 8. So I get 3, 8. And now what I'm going to do is take each of these points and plot them on the graph so that I can make my curve. So negative 2.25 is negative 2 and about 1/4 up. So we're right about there. Negative 1 and then 1/2, so halfway up. Then we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 8. So as you can see, this graph is increasing very, very quickly. If we were to continue to put negative numbers into the calculator, we would keep getting smaller and smaller fractions. So exponential functions are graphs that stay very, very close to the x-axis but never actually touch it. So when you're doing these problems, you want to make sure that your graph is never actually touching the x-axis. And then it's going to either increase quickly like this one does or decrease quickly. And that would be your graph. All right, let's try the second one. This one we have 1/2 to the x. You want to make sure that you use parentheses. So we have 1/2, and then in this case to the negative third power, because that's the first number they gave us, that's 8. So we have negative 3, 8. Then we'll try negative 2, which is 4. So we get negative 2, 4. Then we'll do negative 1, which is 2. So we get negative 1, 2. Once again, anything to the 0 power is 1. So we're going to get 0, 1. 1/2 to the first power is still 1/2, so that's 0.5. So now I get 1, 0.5. And then the last one is squared. And that is 1/4, which is the same as 0.25. So I get 2.25. And now once again, I'm going to plot all of those points. So negative 3, 8 is here. Then negative 2, 4. Negative 1, 2. 0, 1. 1/2, 2.25. And once again, this graph is decreasing. It's starting high, but it's going to come low, and it's going to keep going and getting closer and closer to the x-axis, but never actually touching it. So this top one here that we did was an increasing exponential function. That's when the number that's being raised to x is a whole number. The second one is a decreasing function, which is when the number raised to x is a fraction. And that's it. That's how you graph exponential functions.